Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. I am using my August Mini Kit Monday kit. These are the products that I pre-selected to document this photograph. I'll come back to the photograph and the products as I use them. So off with my paper selection. This heart paper, this navy blue, fuchsia, and pink, I thought that was the side that I wanted to map my photograph just to add a punch to this layout. But when I flipped it, I fell in love with the striped side. So that's the side I'm going to use to map my photograph. I'm taking this wave paper from close to my heart called Summer Vibes, and I am going to cut that 7 by 12. And then I'm going to use my ATG tape runner and adhere that to this 12 by 12 paper from Echo Park called Summer Adventure. And I will place that wave paper on the lower half of that paper. So while I am ahead of myself, I want to remind you all that I will have the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel listed below, along with our Facebook group site. So if you haven't become a member over at our Facebook group site, you need to, and you need to play along with us and build your own kit every month. All right, so I put the tape on that paper. I'm going to adhere it to the 12 by 12. Now I am going to map my photograph. See, I wanted to use that heart paper to add a bit of punch to this layout, but I decided to stick with the striped white and mint stripe on the opposite side. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous paper. All right, so I'm going to map my photograph, and I left my photograph in the original size of 6 by 4. And this is a photograph of my husband and I and our little guy. And this was taken last summer in August. Now I'm going to do some hand stitching with the assistance of my Close to My Heart embroidery ruler. They no longer make this product. It's not available. It hasn't been available for 2 or 3 years. But anyhow, it has a crisscross stitch to it. It has a zigzag stitch. It has a scallop stitch. And I'm going to use the zigzag stitch. And I'm going to use my little pokey tool and poke through the little holes here. I'm not going to make you watch the entire process, just like I'm just going to show you a little bit of my stitching. And I just used some thread that I picked up at Walmart, and it's kind of that green aqua or turquoise color. And I'm going to stitch along the center, and I will show you the end result here in a minute. The hand stitching for this layout took me about 30 minutes, and generally when I hand stitch on a layout, I take an opportunity to accomplish 3 things at the same time. One is doing something creative and relaxing. 2 is to spend time with the family by having a movie night. So I can sit there and hand stitch, be with the family, and watch a movie and feel like, well, I am accomplishing something. So it's great. Well, anyway, here's the finished product of the hand stitching. Now it's time to do the embellishments. And normally my title is the last thing that I do on my layouts, or close to the last thing that I do on my layouts. But this time I'm going to put my title down first. Like I said earlier, this is a simple, clean layout, and my title is real simple. It just says summer. I love these chipboard alphas. They're white with gold foil, and I just like how they really complemented this photograph. And after I place the word summer, you're going to see me fuss with some of the embellishments that you can kind of see over there in the upper left-hand corner. So these foam pieces that I'm working with is from Bella Boulevard Faith Illustrated collection, very old. And so I have that round circle at the top says love, and then I have the love down below, and then I'm like, nah, that's too many loves. So I found the puffy heart, and I love that. It accents my black shirt that I have on. And now I'm going to my sticker book, which is from American Crafts, and it's just one of those generic ones. It didn't come with a particular collection. And I'm looking for a banner. I could have sworn there was a banner in here, and sure enough, I found it. I will stick that down underneath the puffy black hearts. Then I will find two other stickers and I will place them above the word that says love, 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 and it'll say weekend highlights. I will also add some thread under the word love. That's what you see me doing right now. And then I'm going to bring in two acrylic pieces from Close to My Heart Summer Vibes collection. It'll be the flamingo and the star. You're going to see that here in a minute. And then I'm going to take a pen and do some faux stitching along the bottom edge of my pattern paper, which is the Summer Vibes pattern paper. And my layout's complete. Be sure to check out the other ladies and keep coming back. We'll see you next time. Bye.